So yamba onyom no bia Adom praise class edition into TV eternity be na fe Cedar Mountains Mass Choir and afe the new song choir enso ye de abrobun ti ye kokko no ebo wo nyina Mr. Kokoto ticket ni CCA 70 cedis na de jame ya doma kwasi adai ene ya wade fiada memenda de kwasi ada ni ye hia ni adawrade asene waye e de ma de ohia ye ticket 70 cedis oba ntama ba bia wo pe sa wote e ho na obetena de edu so no eye Badwam kase ani a ensam na etodwo omu bi ya wo betini eye justice atuguba so the sabatujwa afa ye democracy ene judicial service adwuma no sede etie dey ye de sansem ni chemu no ebebro na ya bowura yensan fofomo IGP dey kokoboy mu odin ma motor riders se won hu ye pa won tue ni mu sebe yen kofo ha obi ama eno ne sebira no pay mede bro Adom TV Badwam kase o share live e wo Go TV channel 119 DSTV channel 280 YouTube on so ya Adom TV tube bididi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT said and assembly chemu etie ankasa kane justice now wo Supreme Court William Atuguba ene nei de ekoso ewo judicial service no ebu wonuma mu ni ade no wakasa de afa ho public lecture bia ekoso ewo University of Ghana ya omone University of Ghana for kabo mu yeye ena womo ade assemti a wose ye boy democracy eho ban judiciary no wono so asede ena pani de sansemi ekotudwa wochirim se ne de emebunu mu bi kra ni arehemu ewo munti ye ka ku num ne sane ma ne nyina na hadwene a ewo se ye tena se so oman ni esiesie ma ne matoto yie ne no nsem ebini
sleep, step up. You're fighting these directions. Hold them to, because the power belongs to them, not these people. They are trustees. We sit down and allow them to misuse the power we entrusted to them. We have power to check. So if there's a strong request for constitutional reform, I don't think they can push it underground.
Wasan editu dwa se ekuo a womo ana womo hwe se womo ne be appointee eye judge fo e wo man mu ha no enkoye womo a womo be yi womo ho efie amanyosem mu.
You ask judges to do certain things in a certain way, they don't agree, you transfer them almost outside Ghana. Well, but there's difference. No, why are you in Accra here and not at Elubo or something? Okay, these things matter. Shouldn't joke with them. When we allow them, the system will be jaundiced, and the present situation is what we can be in. I'm not saying it has started, that's why I'm taking time to show. It has to be broken.
Omemu post sahine Dr. George Kufudan parade kokoboda Emma motor riders ya traffic light won fanya djuma shoko kra na kwabrane nemu no mohwe mo huye pa na nei eye trade union congress ne penifo won mo ba ho won mo dwendwen kwan ya mo befa so abo bia ho ban e won kwanhia nom ne ade yewura ye bronya busumi mu no de sansemi etudwa.
To stop riding on the pavements because we are coming for them. They should stop crossing at the zebra crossings because they are not meant for them. And we are coming for them and making sure that we use the process, arrest them, educate them, and give them warnings and document their offenses. And when it becomes more than necessary, then we'll put them before court. Because we have said that where we sit, we want to do policing with compassion, not indifference.
Openi a ono ne da trade union congress ano Anthony Yaba enso ede to aposifo enim se womunium ebeye nkabom ede ncheche ama womanfo ede afa eye public order act no
enkuta hudie no efa Ghana asumbie peace enti ya adwumayefo adwuma uranum adwuma mpanimfa teams mpanimfa ba I said yes, your members no, ehu emrano. Enti yene adeba kwa ye discuss here pa eto makumam say yene police mfanimfo no ebeye public education about the Police Order Act. If say emrade say eye adwuma eyema yina.
Esa wani so ka kire bra kwantufoɔ ne adrobafoɔ ya wɔn fa agono nkwanta wusie jo kwan no wɔn nyinaa ka hɔ ne nyinaa gyina sɛ trailer bi na bɛsɛ esi kwan no mu obi nko obi mma na santene ne nipa abo apeso ne asen abo apeso no esa wani so ka kire don hwe nwɔtwe de wɔn gyina fa ako hwɛ sɛ nneɛma bɛyɛ yie lotewia na etwaso yi
Kasi nketwa ni nyina yi fa wo ama ka se du nya ba bia ntimi fa ko ba ya mpese nketwa ne be kwa block wa animu se ba obi ntimi ko tie nyina no ya block kwa ne edi la ne so be se ba ya won kwa block kwan e kwa na se ntimi fo mo kwa ye na mo ye kwa ne mai aba na wo so bi gina ha ya gina good 4 hours bi baby fa ko sa 4 hours aba de ntina wo so across kono e kwa no cross ya cross nya se nketwa ni yi fa wo ama ye nya ba bia amfa sa obu kwasa no so a musa kotoku wani mu ma akatia ro bi anya ba bi amfa enu ti ne amba ya si kwan no
onyeji last time wo ba fele wa efun ba fele wo se dey I we fun do ko yi court nti se kwan no se obi antumi ye ne ye bed we se begina be 5 hours ni o ka bi anko this na so so ale show nti se hu de ye se ye luko se elbo ye hu pen bia ba bo bon ya wo kwan do also be kere obe amana esi obe ye pe obe kere ayifu be ka odun ko court nti oba no obi antumi ye men na ye ble wa ade da ma nti aba de no sere mpefo oh mpefo de aka isi obi anfi ye nti ise no ye hu de be biom ye hu de nti ise no mpe na ye se Nyankopon de ye mpe pe bia bigi e obo juni wa e kwan bo wa obotuma ya men na ayifu ne de ye bo nkokopa de won ye kwan no obi sori ya nso what's what no court into go on so am pre obe bibia into beja to da man na so ya den ya so for da man ti Adom TV
Badwam kase na ugiso ehwe no na yede mo konsam foforo mu a mpanifo ade batu dwa se oba pani ya wo enkran asase so gamanye ye na wato na nanom nsie do na yie ne hyehyeye ne nti no anka sukufo enko da ya wade anifia da nanso adwensakra ba ya sukufo ko womo esuku public relation officer the Margaret Accra Regional Education Directorate Peter Bledu Gold and a disansemi to a Jawan Sakraya penifo ayenate.
The Abani say school closure no enyam maso. There is a new update. New update by no pay say say traditional council no aye changes kakra into a new update na no pay we ya and then around 10 more into school closure and there and maso. But before then, you call Gamanche Fee and you call Srano. I try a book of condolence and no more to regional director name say Anka Sani Amamre Nintino 2 days no among famona omuntimin schools nintena fee na yendiso. And I dream say within that 2 days no. At least yabenya approval from headquarters na afi school kala na tenefi into mo year change new updates no ama delay of information back Accra into heads ne awofo ne other stakeholders ni per what we stand now no there is an update into yebeko back to school on Thursday and Friday
into yami adoma ochina ene Friday fiada no and ya dey be close school.
Yes, ochina any fiada na there. But what we have now there ya dey be close school. They make catch our for ne school kwala no say omo fa momba enko school mo teachers no be school mo ho acha.
Old Vandals Association said the management war University of Ghana one more year was school for no nya so one more bo ejoso one e Commonwealth hall no. The omoye womono woni ho kra central fonhia mudia say na national president edema Old Vandals Association Isaac Nketia Sapon echiremu say the yakon obiara no atum so obi antumi nkasa tietie wonfa hodie so ene ade a omo susu say ntwaye
a next project ani e pese yesie esi ama nipa bɛsɛ mpem ahanan mpem nan ne ahansia ɔmanya baabi de ɔmuti ato na saa dwumadi yɛ hyɛ aseɛ no emsa mu bi de munim sɛ university no mpanifoɔ no wɔn ahaya adwene besi nɛ ama ku ananka wɔn so asene ama wɔn aboa ma saa dwumadi no adi mu no antimi akɔwie pɛyɛ asesi ado yɛne mo ka sɛ yɛne wɔn gyina court na ɛno ɛnankyɛn no ya na abrepi no amanfoɔ dwense bia kɔmɔfoɔ ne sabaho ntawantawa bi damu ne yayi ɛntesa sɛ utracy history abohu sɛ nipa di kan kɔ sabaho anes bi no mo firi kɔmɔfoɔ ne yɛde ɔmo kɔɛ enti okospo pon mu ha nipa ɔmo ka pa kɔmɔfoɔ ne saba na bring na no ye ka bom yetimi di agro ye overdose ne Vikings di agro all the time e bibia bom ene yi na se ne tekrema na esen kono ba na okunu omko nti mo dom ho kra no a ebre bi beba nti students ne betimi akon na omkokon na se bia se bi enipa ba ko mienu miensa na se edom bi ekokoye bibia emfata eno nche se ogina so na ahwefo ne atiefo ma Adom FM ne Adom TV aye nyame so ade enya sika 9200 ama Esther Azam ya wohia se ye no surgery na Esther Azam ayo obi a doctor for Wolojo Kukuno Ridge Hospital say ye hia 110,000 Ghana cedi ne de an operation ye bring to Adom TV etwasui
maune yilam maune dote penam akpenam kakakaka Teacher papa antin mere kakla mami ti pai mi ti to me pai mi sa na jo mi to me da so me da mo ase ma o ne yiram gbogbo ne do te pe nam gbogbo
eno achi ne hokani ya boaten enso de nsem se yeto aso
me da adofo a ma boyen ma yetumi yesika kakra amayen no e da o mase na yame nso ɔyɛ den ɔyɛ den ɔndo wɔn na ɛyɛ den yame nhyɛ wɔn anem ɔyɛ mbɔho na yame nso yɛ den anka wɔn akoma na ɔyɛ den na wɔn san yɛ den wɔn mɛyɛ bi nka wɔn na ntumi yɛ den yɛn fɛ kasa ne yare na ɔwɔ hɔ ayɛ ne ti no egusi paa no ɛyɛ ne ya ɔkɔmpani de bia ɔkɔmpani nti no yare na yɔnkɔɛ nti doctor fo nso so wɔn so wɔn retwa yɛn.
The Krakra no Head of News and Current Affairs, AC Ohene, and so the Asade ni Kabia, and my T4 near her four, so Moti Este Jam Howie, Womo Ebeboy.
Yakatim da Yenina Yen a T4 near her for Adom FM near Adom TV. As so, my mind is Kaka crab in a Ruth 10,000. Baby Biara will be quite free, and Yame a man or home, no insurance do yeso.
Maune Yilam, Maune dote penam. Akbenam kakakaka
mofra bia wo savana mantam ne mu de baby aya wo monam fefa mu ansa na wo madu school no yade a ha dwene fi se won kwan a wo fa so de ko school ni nyina nsuo ayira fa won canoes a won tract na mu nyina nso aye bibia wo ho fi se life jacket nso emka wo mo hunti ama wo mo ebreye pa nkranketo a wo mo ebetwa nsuo ansa na wo madu school no ha dwen ye yama ne boni shan yakwa ene obatan bi o won koda 9 na setena mu ene se de nsuo ne ha wo adwen edi nkomwe
patwa ne yiye ene ya bahase ya bahansu patwa bebi ya den kakra maye bebi ya da enye ana eduane nso asem den kakra maye edwuma ya ni nyina sai di sesia bebi ya den amaye di atremu da bebi hu ya mobo ewa hatu yedi nyame fremu da
Enwachi, Director General, Emma Adom Ikono, Nana Ajimai Prempe, Wabra Wadine Niakudi and Wadansiano, Eshe District Coordinator say, Wohono say, one more homodia some of Franco May, Mapa life jackets nippy yet Yama was said a beya, Secobara Secodona Danubutua, a bit to Miaba won't quite a hobine.
I'm pleading with you. Down south, some people are doing propaganda with it. When disaster strikes, it doesn't know your political color, your tribe or religion. We are all Ghanaians.
We are not doing this because this is MPP, this is NDC, who is whatever. No, we are doing this because Ghanaians are suffering. So we are pleading with the media. We can't work without you. You are our strongest stakeholder. So we are pleading with you. That is why I requested that the things should be brought outside.
Right, so Ghana National Association of Teachers say not and so Wama kai wonu anuma wo from Montema akoso monsuo na ye bie na aha wo agenti wama koma omo 150,000 Ghana cedi say won mo nye northern for southern na fe central town district no won mo enye na fe de wama hwe bia no fansesi adon kase etwasui.
Rise with our members who are in difficulties. I want to assure my family members here that we don't need you to tell us any story. We've seen it ourselves. We've seen it ourselves. The situation you find yourself in now is not a good one. What we have given you today is a sign of telling you that we are together. And as your leaders, we will make sure that together we come out from this difficult situation. We've heard that our employer will be engaging you this morning. The assurance from leadership is that right after here, we will also engage the employer to make sure that together we come out from this situation. Whatever presentation that we have done today, we said we've given it to the region, and I saw people, no, this is nuts, and we operate with our structures.